Photosynthesis is the process in which plant manufacture carbohydrate from raw material using light energy and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis equation: 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water in the presence of light and chlorophyll produce glucose plus oxygen as a gas. This is called a reactant, and this is product. When there has been an exam, mention the reactants of photosynthesis. This is the reactant, and this is the product. Respiration equations. In respirations, the plant use the produced carbohydrate, and this carbohydrate react with O2, and the products release is carbon dioxide gas, water, and 38 ATP. So here the photosynthesis product is the respirations reactant, and the respirations product is the photosynthesis reactants. What does plant need for photosynthesis? Plant need light energy, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophylls. What makes plants so special? What makes plants so special is autotrophs, a process in which an organism with the chlorophyll make its own food using light energy, carbon dioxide, and water. This is the practical form of photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water, carbohydrate produced, and gas released. And remember that this reaction happens in the presence of light. Photosynthesis scientific terminology: chlorophyll, which is the green pigment of the plant; chloroplast, where photosynthesis takes place; xylem. This xylem distributes water and minerals from the root to the other part of the plant. Phloems distribute this carbohydrate that is produced on the leaf and distributed to other parts of the plant. Heterotroph is what makes animal and plant different. Heterotroph, these are an organism that cannot produce their own foods. And autotroph are the organisms that produce their own foods. ATP, adenotriphosphate, energy produced during the breaking down of this glucose. And then here we have this ATP. So this is internal structure of the leaves, and this place is called chloroplast. This is a chloroplast structure. We said before, photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. The light energy directed to this green pigment, and then during the reaction of this carbon dioxide and water, glucose produced, oxygen released as a gas. This glucose is utilized in a cell called mitochondria cell, and then during the breaking down of this glucose, ATP release as energy and heat energy release. Carbon dioxide released to as water and water as well, I mean. And then what is respiration? A process through which chemical energy present on organic molecule is released through oxidation. So oxidation means what? Burning. So the process takes place in both plant and animal. This respiration takes place in what? Both plant and animal. But